Nobi is still asleep, but the rain has already started to sing. He opens his eyes. The world outside is quiet and rainy. Everything is small and slow. Nobi watches it all very closely. The rain makes music. Nobi sits still and listens. He sees a little face in the water, and it's his own. The puddle moves with every drop. Nobi watches it like a tiny mirror. He stays dry inside the log, but the world outside keeps moving. He steps into the soft rain. Everything feels new and wet. A raindrop finds his nose. It makes him blink and smile. Something is glowing ahead. Nobi stops to see it better. The mushrooms glow and dim, like they're breathing with the rain. He sees a beetle on a mushroom. It walks like it's on a big, soft world. A raindrop falls beside him. Nobi just watches the circle grow and fade. He walks through puddles and vines. The jungle feels quiet and soft again. He lies back down in the moss. The rain has done its job. The rain is almost gone. The jungle holds its breath. Even the smallest creatures keep moving. Nobi watches, calm and still. The sun finds him at last. Nobi breathes in slowly. The glow fades. A quiet blue leaf lands like a goodbye. The glow fades. A quiet blue leaf lands like a goodbye. The rain is over, but something calm has stayed behind with Nobi. Little puddles stay behind, holding pieces of the sky. The glow fades, but Nobi carries it with him now. He walks gently. The world has changed just a little. He pauses one last time. The forest is waiting. The rain is almost gone, but the story is still inside him. One last raindrop finds him. He keeps it. He leaves soft footprints the forest remembers. He walks on with rain behind him and sunlight ahead. Nobi is small in the big green world, but he knows it better now.